Hey guys, have you heard of Xiaohongshu? It's one of the most popular Chinese social media platforms, which has become so important for international business, as it plays a key role of consuming decision-making process. So for anyone looking to tap into Chinese market, creating a Xiaohongshu account is the first step. Besides the personal account used by ordinary users, Xiaohongshu provides professional account that offers more marketing options on the platform. In today's video, I'll walk you through steps to apply for Xiaohongshu professional account tailored for business. Welcome, like and save the video for supporting. First, you might wondering what is Xiaohongshu Pro account. Xiaohongshu Pro account is like a Facebook business account. Only with this account, you can have access to a lot of official marketing tools of the platform. What are the advantages of Xiaohongshu Pro account? First, you can have access to the platform official KOL marketing platform called Pugongyin. On this platform, you can run the KOL campaign yourself because it lists all the KOL's profile and price, so that you can select, pitch, collaborate, and pay them just on the platform. The second is that once you have a pro account, you get this tag besides your name just on the profile, which adds credibility and trust to your brand. The third is that you have access to comprehensive data analysis tool that provide insight into such as follower data, post performers, and engagement metrics. Fourth is access to the e-commerce shop, which means you can sell your product to Chinese users directly by setting up the e-commerce shop on Xiaohongshu. How much does it cost for a Xiaohongshu Pro account? There is an annual fee of 600 kuai, around $83. Next, what you should prepare before apply for a Xiaohongshu Pro account? That is, make sure you have a personal account already. That is really simple. As Xiaohongshu is a mobile-based platform, first you have to download it from the App Store on your phone. On the login page, you can register with WeChat, Apple ID, and phone number. Most of my international clients register with phone number, which is more convenient for them. Once your account is set up, don't forget to complete the profile detail, including name, profile photo, and bio. Then, what are the documents required for Xiaohongshu Pro account? First is the image or PDF of your business license. Second, a Chinese translated version of your business license. Third, if you have your own logo, please provide a trademark registration certificate. Fourth, a photo of the passport who is applying for this pro account on behalf of your company. 5, verification letter from Xiaohongshu. This is a letter you have to sign your name and the position on it. If you need a template, check the description. You can download it from my website. Last one is optional, depends on if you have a trademark. Like if you have one, you have to sign a paper for authorize. After collect all these documents, it's time for applying for it. Just few steps might take you less than 1 hour. First, log into the Xiaohongshu Pro account platform. I'll link in the description. Second, just fill the required information and submit the doc we prepared. Third, pay the verification fee of 600 kuai on the checkout page. That's it. After you submit the doc and pay the fee, you will receive a confirmation email from Xiaohongshu. They will tell you if they need further details or any documents require the adjustment. They will contact you via email. How long does it take to get the account verified? I'll say if you are familiar with the process, probably less than 7 working days. But if not, it might take up to 30 days. So if you're looking for help with the application process, contact me anytime. I'm Zoe, a Chinese social media expert. I can help you everything around Xiaohongshu, from verification, account management, and KOL marketing. Or if you are interested in Chinese social media marketing tips, welcome follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and my blog post. Bye, I'm Zoe. See you next time.